how to delete your Instagram account. Welcome to another Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. The first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then select the profile icon on the bottom right of the app to navigate to your profile. Once on your profile, select the 3 horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu. Then once the menu opens, select Settings and Privacy. Then once in Account Center, scroll down under Account Settings and select Personal Details. Once in here, select the last option labeled Accounts, Ownership and Control. Then all we need to do is select Deactivation or Deletion. Now just select the Instagram account that you want to delete. Scroll down and select the last option for Delete Account. Keep in mind, this is going to delete everything associated with your accounts, including all the photos, videos, likes, everything you've ever done on your account. So select it and then select Continue. After that, they want you to tell them why you're deleting your Instagram account. So select an option and then select Continue at the bottom. Then just enter the password for your Instagram account. Confirm once again that you want to delete your Instagram account, and then your Instagram account will be deleted, right? So that's how you delete your Instagram account. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.